Oh, the pretty people. Oh yeah, beauties, beauties. All right. He's in Houston, y'all.
Fresno, let's go.
Fresno. Y'all come on out, man. Come on out. This is Murayama setup. It is awesome. Look at these trimmers, baby. Trimmers, edgers, and the backpack blowers.
That thing's a beast.
Yes, Murayama.
Beast.
Between you, L Blaze, the Long Juggernaut, man, you guys rock, man.
I appreciate it.
And I appreciate you for just showing what you do to, for the community. Definitely service is what I love to, show. And it's all about helping people out, man, because somebody got to do it. What's up, y'all? It's your boy GDR, man. And today's episode is a little bit different, more like a vlog, I call it a lawn vlog. Well, it's a family outing. I'm taking my wife and my kids. We're going to Fresno, Texas, which is outside of Houston. And Spencer, SV Mowing, will be there in the place. It's gonna be Fresno lawn care equipment repair. And man, he's gonna show off Murayama equipment, which I never heard of. So it's definitely gonna be stoked, commercial equipment. He's gonna be there doing a meet and greet. So y'all gonna travel with us from Channelview East Side all the way to the south side of the Houston area. So I hope y'all enjoy. I'm definitely excited because this guy is amazing. I call him like the Mr. Beast of the lawn care niche. Like I said, you got many others, Lawn Juggernaut, Al Blades, Nathan over across Australia, but SB Mowing out of Kansas City, Missouri, man. Shout out to this guy. I am very excited about it because I love his style of just transforming properties. And man, I'm not there yet, of course not, but hey, I love how he serves the community first and foremost. He serves the community, and that's what it's about, helping those who do not have the opportunity to go get their yards cut and properties that's just looking horrendous for these areas. We shouldn't have that. So stay tuned, y'all. Peace. We got Nelly cut. Nelly Co. Say hello. Nelly. Oh, she act like that sometimes. Say hello to the camera. We got Jazz, oldest daughter. Who the best yard man?
You.
What's my name?
G the yard man.
I got the mastermind, my wife. Mrs. G the yard man, also known as Just Cuts. And my baby boy, JoJo. Wait, JoJo. Yep. Yep. Oh, the pretty people. Oh yeah, beauties, beauties. All right. Mariana. SB. They go SB Mowing. All right. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Great equipment. SB Mowing. He's in Houston, y'all.
Fresno, let's go.
Fresno. Y'all come on out, man. Come on out. This is Murayama setup. It is awesome. Look at these trimmers, baby. Trimmers, edgers, and the backpack blowers.
That thing's a beast.
Yes, Murayama.
Right there. Get your shirt. Come on out.
Come on out. Come on
We
out.
got stickers and stuff too.
Yeah, look at this.
SB Mowing stickers.
Oh, man.
Backpack blower keychains. We got cool stuff.
Yeah.
I think
Hey,
I got
hey,
the
tell
certain
everybody right there, you come out, you buy something today, the first 5 people get a custom Murayama shirt,
Really?
SB Mowing hat, and a Murayama hat.
Wow. Wow. This guy's my motivation, SB Mowing.
What's up, everyone?
Yes. It's GDR, man. You know, I'm starting up. He gave me some cool advice, and this is really, really awesome, man. To see this guy just transform our niche like no other. I call him the Mr. Beast. Between you, Al Blaze, the Long Juggernaut, man, you guys rock, man.
I appreciate it.
And I appreciate you for just showing what you do to, you know, for the community. Definitely service is what I love to, you know, show. And it's all about helping people out, man, because somebody got to do it. And the attitude he has is phenomenal. So I greatly appreciate you.
I appreciate it, man.
Absolutely,
Thank you.
absolutely, absolutely. So I'm gonna walk around and look at some more stuff here, y'all. Well, I could have talked to him for hours, but I know I couldn't do that because other people was coming up and I didn't want to hog him. But he gave me some great information to add, and also to meet up in October at the big, huge equipment expo in Louisville, Kentucky, which I'm definitely gonna do. And by the way, this is a mom and pop equipment repair shop south of Houston in Fresno, Texas. You're in Fresno, definitely patronize this spot. They have some great equipment in Encore, Xmark, Murayama, and Echo. So I'm gonna go inside and check out the inside. Like I said, I love the small family atmosphere. The owner is awesome. I met his dad. It's just great to see small businesses do this type of thing. You know, you would not get this effect in a big box store. Nothing against it, but I prefer shopping in patronizing businesses like this. There go to Murayama, top dog of our niche equipment. So y'all, this was a great event, a great time for my family. You got to see my family, and we got to eat good too. This food was great. It was great. As I close, this has been a great day and a great opportunity of a lifetime for me. I'm glad that this dealer is dealing with one of the best who's ever done it. Well, I'm back home. You're like, what are the kids and my wife? Well, my wife had to end up taking my kids to visit her parents. They're gonna be over there, so I said, oh, I'll go ahead and wrap the video up, and like I normally do. But I just want to give y'all a quick glimpse of them. Y'all gonna see them more so in videos, and that's pertinent to, you know, of course, the lawn care niche and family time. I'm really big with family, and this definitely was a great event. They enjoyed it. I definitely did, of course. You know, seeing the equipment and meeting Spencer SB Mowing was phenomenal. He gave me some great advice. He also told me, hey man, if you could go to the equipment expo in Louisville, Kentucky, which I am registered for. So hopefully I'll see him there for that 3-day event in October as well. He's just an all-around great guy. And one young lady, she cried when she met him. She really did. And that's amazing how we are impacting people's lives, man, with this niche. She says it's so calming, it's like therapy, which I've got that too recently from a person who watched my videos on another platform. And that's what I'm gonna keep doing, is keep striving to give you satisfying content, because mental health is what it is, you know. And these satisfying videos of lawn content transformations really help people out. You know, they enjoy looking at it. So I'm really glad to be a part of this family. And once again, if you're new tuning in, thank you. Please get that like and that subscribe button and bell to be notified for upcoming content I do post. I am GD Yardman. I'm also Yardman G on TikTok, GD Yardman on Instagram. So you can follow me on those other platforms as well. So until the next one, God bless you. Be a light. Continue to serve, man. Let's keep this thing rocking. Stay lawn official. Holla.